Hey guys, what's happening? Is Revolt really crypto friendly in 2025? Revolt has always marketed itself as a crypto friendly fintech, but it's important to know what that actually means. In 2025, Revolt still supports crypto trading, offering access to over 100 tokens, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and even some meme coins. You can easily buy and sell crypto with just few taps inside the app. It's clean, beginner friendly, and fast. However, you don't get full custody of your crypto. That's the catch. While Revolt did start allowing some withdrawals to personal wallets like BTC and ETH, but it's limited, still limited, and not all tokens are supported. If you want to hold your keys, Revolt isn't your endgame. It's also not a decentralized wallet. It's a centralized exchange like experience wrapped in a slick fintech package. You can dollar cost average into crypto, track portfolios, and even learn via their in-app learn and earn courses. Bottom line, yes, Revolt is crypto friendly for casual users, new investors, and those who just want exposure to major coins, but not ideal for DeFi users, serious hodlers, or anyone needing full custody and on-chain control. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.